Well, hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about colors and different things, okay? Well, today, look around here. Now tell me, do you see any cars? Huh? Do you? Oh wow, there's one car right here. Guess what color it is? If you said yellow, you're correct. This car is right here. It's a yellow nice car. Now, where's the other car? Wow! There's another car right here. Now tell me, what color is this car? It's red. If you said red, you're correct. Wow. Now look around. Do you see another car? Oh, there's one car right here. This car color is blue. Wow. So, do you see any other interesting things? Oh wow, here's one. This yellow airplane. Wow. Do you see another airplane? Oh wow, there's another airplane right here. Now what color is this? Oh, this color is red. Put this one right here. Ooh, look around. Oh wow, this one's green. Now look at our car collection and our airplanes. I feel like we need a little, we need to find skate. Tell me. Wow, there's a skateboard right there. Now what color is this? Well, it actually has three colors. It has black, red, and green. Also blue. Put this one right over here. Wow. We're finding so many things. Now, if you can help me find another one. Oh, wow. Instead of finding one, we found two of them. Look at these two. This one's pink and red. Actually, pink and blue. Also, it has black and yellow. Wow. This is a really good color. And look at this. This has eyeballs. This is cool. And it has hearts. Oh, wow. Put this one right here with our collection. Look at our collection so far. We have so many things. We have these. And we have airplanes. Wow. Oh, wow. There's one right here. This one's blue. And it looks kind of like Superman. Wow. Okay. There's another one right here. This one's just like the other one right here. They're twins. So, since we have a big collection right now, we should get a bodyguard. Wow. He said he's gonna help us.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you. Oh, thank you very much. Whenever you need help, call me, Green Lantern.
He's gonna be there. We need more than one bodyguard because we have multiple people and we don't want nobody stealing anything from us. Wow. We have this one airplane too, don't forget about that. This airplane should go right over here. So, we should look for another bodyguard. Who do you think's gonna help us? Oh, wow. Wow, look at Nick the dinosaur. He's gonna help us. He's gonna be this way so he can help us. Oh, wow. So another person that we should really ask is him. He's my best friend. He should come over here. I know you see a dinosaur, but don't you see more dinosaurs? Wow, there's one that's green. Wow. This dinosaur is really cool. So, oh wow, is that an elephant? This is so nice. Ooh, wow. There's Luigi. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at the brothers. Oh, wow. This one's right here. And this one's right here. Oh, wow. We have Nick the firefighter. He said he'll help us whenever we need help. Just like Green Lantern. Oh, wow. Okay. Luigi wants to help us a different way. He said that he's going to be on the lookout. So he's going to fight all the bad guys. Wow. He's going to be all the way here, watching from behind. This is so cool. Look at them. They're all the way here. The only thing is that we got to look at all of these badges. Wow. Now what is this? Oh, that's a baseball. Wow. That's a planet. Ooh, don't forget about the robot. Wow, is that an anchor? Wow, so interesting. Ooh, they all have cool different colors. Ooh, this one's really cool. This is a football. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at the soccer ball. This is really cool because some people like playing soccer. Now tell me, what's your favorite sport? We're gonna put all of these over here. Now, wow! Look at our best friend. She's looking mighty fine today. Really good if you ask me. Look at her. She's gonna help us a different way. She's gonna be with her friend right here. You know what they're gonna do? They're just gonna stay over here and do a lookout. So she's gonna be right there. And she's gonna be right here. Wow, there's a little froggy. So nice. So different. It's a nice color. It matches with this green dinosaur. Oh, wow. Oh, no, I forgot about him, my best friend. Wow. He's so cool. He's gonna be over here. Wow. He's looking kind of disgusting today. Oh, no. What happened to you? You know what? Leave that aside. But besides that, he's gonna be over here with my one friend. Well, he can't be sitting, so yeah, he has to lay down. But look at him. He's my other friend. He's gonna be right here with my other one. Well, look at them. They're all surrounded. Now look at this. Look at all of the skateboards. Now tell me, which one of these match out of all of these skateboards? Which one of these are the same color? Oh, yeah, if you said these two, you're very right. But these, even though these have blue, these are all different. Wow. You see? This is so different compared to that. And this one's different. And this one's different. And this one's really different. But they all have blue. So they're technically the same. But they're not really. So yeah. Wow, they're pairs. Look at them. They're so nice. They're so similar. You know, I'm gonna change the order. They should be over here. Oh, similar. Just like this. Oh, wow. Let's put the yellow car with the yellow airplane and the yellow dinosaur. Wow. This is really cool. Also, we have another dinosaur as well. This should be right here. What a nice family. Wow. Don't forget about the color red. This is really cool because we have this nice sports car. Ooh. And we have a red airplane. Oh wow, even we have the firefighter. And we got blue. Wow. Blue's a really nice color if you ask me. This should go right here. And we should make this all color order. These are all primary, so red, yellow. We only have one green airplane. This should be right here. And this is blue. And wow, we have a green dinosaur as well. This is so cool. So, look around. Tell me, did I miss anything? Oh yeah, I'm missing him. Green Lantern. Wow. It's really cool how all of these people have similar colors. Wow. This is really cool and neat. So, thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe. And you're gonna see a next video. And yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching.